Get ready to dive into the wild side. The animal kingdom is waiting for you. Let's start our journey. Did you know a cheetah can sprint up to 70 miles per hour? That's faster than your car. And check out the octopus. It's a master of disguise, blending into its surroundings like a pro. Now, let's talk about elephants. They can communicate through vibrations in the ground. How cool is that? And don't forget about penguins. They fly underwater at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. From the jungles to the oceans, the animal kingdom is full of amazing wonders. Stay curious, stay wild, and keep exploring. Subscribe for more quick animal adventures.